Romero. I'm 20 years old and I am a student of the 10th cycle of Management and International Business. The title of my thesis is the following: Limitations that exist in the Department of Loreto for Wasabi development and utilization of its exports to the US market. As we know, nowadays our country has increased the development of its agriculture exports to the main international markets. However, there are still many products that do not have a significant export supply, like many of the fruits from the Amazon, despite having many nutritional properties and a high demand in other important countries. Within this context, we have the wasai, a fruit from the palm tree of the same name, which grows in the low jungle, mainly in the department of Loreto, and which is little known in our country, unlike Brazil, which is the main producer and exporter of this fruit. For this reason, I decided to do this research because until now in our country has not been given the importance that it should have the wasai. According to the problems that limited the use of wasai and development of its exports, I have formulated the following objective: identify the limiting factors for the development of export supply wasai in the department of Loreto, identify the problems that exist for the production of wasai in the department of Loreto, identify the problems that exist for its local and international marketing, identify the requirements of the USA market for the entry of the wasai. The method used in this research is a qualitative exploratory design studies based on the application of the following qualitative instrument: in-depth interviews, the same that allowed information to meet the fourth objective. In-depth interviews have revealed that the main factors that limit the use of wasai in the department of Loreto and the development of its export to the USA market are incipient fruit production, predation of the wasai palm trees, inadequate development chain, and the lack of interest of the public and private sectors for the fruit. It was also determined that there are a number of problems that hinder its production and marketing both locally and internationally. Regarding the production problems, it was determined that the lack of fields, the seasonality of the fruit, and its high degree of perishability and oxidation are the main ones. In relation to existing problems for marketing, both locally and internationally, it was concluded that the main ones are the lack of pasteurization, excessive cost generated for marketing, and having Brazil as the main competitor. Finally, we determined that are the conditions of access required by the US market for the entry of this fruit and its derivatives, concluding that these conditions are minimal and are not a limiting factor for the development of its exports to this market. The research concludes that in Peru, the wasai is a fruit that has many export opportunities and high opportunities for successful participation in the USA market. Many thanks.